Hi everyone. You know, I'm always looking for ways to create passive income. I have a lot of photos that I take with my smartphone. So one of the ways I thought of was how to make money from those thousands of photos that I've taken. So I did a little bit of research. I went to Google and searched on Google, and I went to YouTube and search on YouTube, and I found out something about this site called ClickASnap. There were even TikTok videos about it. Apparently, there are claims that you can make money from this site. All you have to do is upload photos and earn money when people view it. So, sounds simple, right? But is it really so simple and easy? Can you really earn money from ClickASnap? Let's explore and discuss about this. I visited the ClickASnap website. On the website, I went to their FAQ section. Then I clicked on their main menu to find their About Us page. And on this page, you can see that they have stated that they are the world's first still image hosting site that pays users for every view of their pages. Wow, that's cool, right? But hold on, is this really true? Let's find out more. Back on the home page, I see the Get Started and How It Works buttons. I think let's find out how it works first, right? Because before we dive in and spend all the time and effort on this, we should really see if we can really make money with ClickASnap, right? And in order to know whether we can, we need to know how it really works. So after clicking on the How It Works button, we land on this page. Here, we see ClickASnap telling us that we can make our money when our photos are viewed. So, yeah, all still great. Yeah, but how does it work? How do we get paid when our photos are viewed? A little down this page, we can see some interesting information. First of all, here's the info that we can earn 0.4 cents per photo per view, right? Um, you know, it's not a lot, but looks good, right? But hold on. I did some research earlier, and here is what I found out about this amount of money that you get paid per view. On their FAQ page, under How does the paid per view benefit work? They made it very clear that you get paid for each authentic view gain, and you earn 0.4 cents. Okay, look carefully, yeah? Please note that this is 0.4 cents, which is actually, out of a dollar, is 0.004 cents, and not 4 cents, which is 0.04, or even 40 cents. This benefit is included only in any of their chargeable membership levels. So we'll talk about that later, but right now it's not. We find out that it's not 0.4 cents as shown on their How It Works page. It's actually 0.004 cents, which is 0.4 cent of a cent. That's really low, don't you think? And here's another thing I found out in the same FAQ page under the question, what's the difference between a view and a paid view? And the answer to that question is to gain a paid view, which is what equates to a paid view, an image must be viewed for 5 seconds, 5 seconds, yeah, and not be flagged as falsified or fake. So what this means is that your photo must be viewed for at least 5 seconds. And what this means is that when people reach your photo page, they must stay there for at least 5 seconds. You know, if let's say they see your photo on the search that they did on ClickASnap and they find your photo, they click on it, and they simply glance at it and bounce out. So while that is considered a view to you, but it will not be counted as a paid view because it's not at least 5 seconds. And then there's the clause about, it must not be called out for being a fake photo or falsified. Alright, fake photo, I understand, yes, but falsified? So many questions about this vague criteria. But let's not touch on it in this video, yeah? Let's continue our research. So far we have learned that we can make money on ClickASnap. There's no doubt about it. Now the next question is, what is the minimum payout? So let's go back to the how it works page to see that, yeah, to see what is the minimum payout. And on the how it works page, we see that the minimum payout is $15. Okay, here's a little math here. I'm not really good at math, but I will try. So we need $15 before we can get the money to get paid, right? And each paid view is 0.004 cents. So this means we need $15 divided by 0.04 cents views, which equals to the number of views, to reach $15. So using the calculator, I find out that that's 3,750 views. Okay, to be fair, this does not seem like a very big number to achieve. In fact, with the claim that they have 2 million images viewed per day, it may be possible. But do remember, the view must be at least for 5 seconds before it is considered a paid view. So, if you reach 3,750 views, but half of that is not more than 5 seconds, then sorry, keep trying. And as if the bar to get paid that is set so far is not high enough, here is more information that I found out, more things I found out, After I created an account with ClickASnap, I am brought to this subscription page. And on that page, I see four subscription options, which are the free subscription, ad-free, seller, and pro seller. Because in this video we are focused on paid for views, so we will look more at the free and ad-free membership. The free membership is a great option, isn't it? Free, you don't need to pay anything. But the problem is, you do not get paid. Yeah, you do not get paid for views. All right, meaning if people even view your photos for more than 5 seconds, you still don't get paid. Right? This account means that you get the account for free, you upload the photos for free, and you do not get paid when any of your photos are viewed. Not so great, huh? And then there's the ad-free membership option. Here, you can get paid for views. This means that, when your photos are viewed, for more than 5 seconds, right, you do get paid. Yeah, you do get paid. But look at the price, the cost of for an ad-free account. Okay, I don't know why, but they put it in in British pounds, yeah. So it's £2 per month, but in USD dollars, that's about $2.78 per month. This is based on the current exchange rate at the date and time of this recording this video. So this means that you need to get enough paid views, right? That means enough paid views that comes up to the amount of $2.78 for you to cover the monthly costs, the cost of the monthly fee, in order to break even before you even see profits. And how many paid views is that to break even? That is 695 views according to the calculator. So as I said before, getting that number should be quite possible, but remember, these must be paid views. Now that we have learned more about ClickASnap, do we find this an opportunity to make money? Well, to me, it is a way to create passive income. Because, after all, you just sign up, upload your photos, get views, and after that, for years on, you continue to get paid, right? So sounds like passive income, isn't it? But you need to be at least an ad-free member to get paid, or rather to get paid views so that you get paid. And that still costs. So if you can get enough paid views to cover the membership fee and earn a profit, then great. Yeah. But don't forget, you still need to spend time to go around and take photos. Yeah. And out of all your photos, you sort them out and pick the ones that are that have good quality, and the best if they are unique and in demand. And also you need to put in time and effort to edit the photos. The way I see it, if you are a photographer, whether professional, amateur, or hobbyist, and you have some spare time, and spare cash for a monthly fee, you can try this out and see if you can earn a little side income. But it will be like some side pocket money, not a lot, right? Unless you have a lot of photos, a lot of paid views. But it's not ideal when you want to have an online business and make money long term. For a longer term business that makes more money, I recommend affiliate marketing. And you need to learn how to do it right. Have the right tools to help you succeed, and expert help to coach you and guide you when you are lost. Yeah. There is a resource that I recommend to get all that, right? It is my #1 recommendation. I will put a link to this recommendation in the description below. So go to the description below and click on the link to get it now. Do you have any questions about ClickASnap? Or are you already a member? So I'd like to know, how's it going for you? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online, how to make money online, and I'll try to do it every Wednesday. But because I teach, sometimes I may not be able to make it, so please forgive me. But I'll try to publish a money making online video every Wednesday. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.